check the first link in the info box down below. Get your very own Swamp Family pop socket today. They are available in the standard pop socket and a mirrored pop socket where you can have 1 and 2 times mirror magnification. Get yours today, limited time only. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we have 2 things I love: miniatures keychains. Miniature keychains. This is from a brand new brand and a brand new store, so I'm really hoping that we're all going to enjoy these. I got this from a stationery store and I had never heard of this before, so let me know. I feel like I stumbled upon a new place to get really exciting, beautiful, rare pieces of stationery, and the store is called Yoseka Stationery. I hope I am pronouncing that correct. So I kind of got a medium-sized order from them, I would say. So this is all a bunch of stationery items, and I'm gonna save this for a separate stationery haul, because even though these bags look kind of small, there's tons and tons of different pins and things for us to swatch together, some stamps. So I feel like this is like a whole video in and of itself, because what we're gonna be unboxing today, and I guess this brand carries these items particularly because these are stationery related collectible miniatures. I was hoping that they would have a bunch of things from this brand. I think you pronounce it Kenelephant. I always see it Kenelephant 2000, which sounds like a really cool DJ name. There it is, Kenelephant. Maybe Kenelephant 2000 is their Instagram handle. Kenelephant. I've never had any Kenelephant miniatures before. I always get suggested like the coolest stuff from Japan on Instagram, and then I have a time and a half trying to actually find those items anywhere. Today we are unboxing the miniature mascot 3rd season. So I guess they had 2 seasons before this of stationery related items. So it's so cool because these remind me a little bit of mini brands, just in the way of they have actual brands. So you're gonna see Pentel. I feel like that's a brand we really recognize here in the States. Tombow, I recognize. I feel like that is more of a Japanese stationery brand. Some of these I don't know that I've ever heard of, like Lion, Sedia, but each of these miniatures, there is a full-size stationery product like this out there somewhere in the world. We have 8 of them to unbox today, and there are 8 items, and I think one of these that we can see on the box is super rare. I think that there is one that is more rare than the others, but unlike the other things we normally unbox, I don't think that there is a truly secret option that we just like don't know what it is. Did I get 8 or 9? You guys? I can't count. 5, 6, 7, 8. I just got 8. I am just gonna dive right in here, and like I keep trying to do, I'm gonna try and tag these products in the video. This is like a new feature that YouTube just recently released where I can actually, there's like a little shopping bag icon. I think it's down here during the entirety of the video, but I'm trying to just link you guys to these products there, because that way you can get like all of the product details. It'll tell you the price, where you can get it from, and everything else, versus me like trying to type it out somewhere in the screen, and then I feel like I never remember to do that. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I also think I fixed the lighting in here, so I feel like we're not gonna have as many focusing issues, which is great. So like I said, we've never had any from this brand before. I don't know if it's gonna be, oh, that answers our question right there. I didn't know if it was going to be in a blind bag style bag, you know what I mean? Where you open it and then you still don't know what you got until you open the interior bag. But I'm so excited that we got the little tape dispenser, because right away on the side of the box, I feel like those were the items that I was most excited about. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is an extra or if mine's broken. I was trying to say the next order of business is to see if this is a real tiny usable spool of tape or if it just looks that way. And I think it's just meant to look clear. This is so wild, you guys, because this is so tiny. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to even see it, but there's like one of those types of rings with a screw on the end. Oh, that's gone now. I don't know what those things are called, but I'm not sure why we have an extra one. This one is on here and in here just fine. And I'm honestly glad we got this kind of like neutral gray colorway. I feel like this was my favorite one that I saw right away on the side of the box. But I just feel like this kind of like gray color will go better with my pencil pouches and stuff, because I thought, you know, that would be so cute. This is for another upcoming stationery video, but I feel like that would just be so cute. And the tape actually spins. Super high quality. It has a really nice like weight to it. It feels like a really nice like sturdy miniature. So right off the bat, very impressed with these, and it's a little bit larger than I thought that it would be. All right, box number 2. We got off to a strong start here. I mean, obviously I feel like it would be ideal if we could get one of each of the different items. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. That's cute. Okay, I forgot to show you guys. This is what is inside of there. And I feel like it just shows you, you know what? Maybe each thing tells you more. That's so cute. So this is the one that we just got. So this is a Lion brand tape dispenser, and then I will show you guys the item we just got, and then we will look at the details about it. So obviously everything is written in Japanese, so I would have to use Google Translate or something if I was going to try and actually read about these little products. Each one of these, it looks like the chain comes separately. This is a tiny clipboard keychain. So we got the red version. I think that there's green. Yeah, there's green as well. And it's actually a little functioning clipboard. So it came with these 2 tiny little pieces of lined paper, but I feel like you could just like cut up sheets of notebook paper and, you know, put more pieces in the little clipboard. I feel like that would be so cute, once again, to just hang off of your bag, and friends could like write little notes or draw little pictures, or you could, you know, whatever you want to do. So I definitely feel like this could theoretically hold more than 2 sheets of paper at once, and it's really detailed. Like it has, you know how clipboards have like measurements, like usually a ruler on the side of them? This does as well. So this is Cedia brand. So far, 2 boxes, no repeats. Let's open up the next one and see. I feel like you guys get to see first. Let's see. Ooh, it's like something invisible. Oh, ew, yay! All right, it was the next thing that I was most excited about, and I'm so happy I got the colorway that I wanted. We got scissors. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. So there they go. They're so bendy. I was gonna get up and like try and find a piece of paper, but like obviously they're like just, how did I ever think these would cut, you know? Sometimes I'm too imaginative for my own good. But yeah, those so adorable. I love them all, but definitely I feel like clear winners for me right now is the tape dispenser and the little scissors. Okay. There's one of these items that I like legitimately cannot tell. It's our first repeat. We got another little tape dispenser, same colorway. That means we're not gonna see them all. I kind of was hoping, honestly, that if I ordered all 8 of them, I was kind of hoping maybe we would get like a, you know, like maybe the packaging would come like this, and it was kind of like you were buying a whole carton. Like I said, I don't know anything about this brand or how they're packaged, and maybe they don't come in a boxed set whatsoever. A lot of times they let you choose how you want to buy them, if you want to buy them individually or do you want to buy a case. But this was not an option. Oh, this is so interesting. Okay, this is actually the item that just on the box, I did not know what it was. But this is so cute because it's kind of like 2 pieces on one keychain. So this is gonna have a nice little dangle feature to it. I'm trying to see if this is, I don't think that this opens. Nope, I think I'm just trying to mess it up. I think that this is, it's not crayons and it's not chalk. I think they're called oil pastels. It's been so long since I've thought of those. But this is so adorable. So you have a single red, I'm just gonna call, I don't know. I mean, it kind of looks like a crayon, but I feel like it's not a crayon. But I feel like these are so tiny when I'm trying to show them to you. I'm like covering up all the details with my fingers. So this is the Pentel product. And you guys let me know, is it just meant to be crayons? Because to me this looks like a little bit different, but it might just be branding, packaging, all of that good stuff. So that's what the inside looks like. All right, let's open up this box and see. Hopefully not another repeat. What on earth is that? Oh, okay, we got another clipboard, but at least it's the other colorway. It's the green one. I think I'm finally gonna do that this year. I wanted to do monochromatic, well, next year. We have not that much time of this year left, but I wanted to do like monochromatic themed stationery hauls, and I always thought about doing that all year and I never did one. I actually think I've been thinking about doing that for 2 years now and I just fail to stick to a theme, but I think I'm gonna try that this year because I've been wanting to do green for a really long time. So that's what made me think, like when I got this green clipboard, I was like, you know what? This would be really cute for a green monochromatic stationery haul video. Well, not like haul, but maybe collection. I don't know. I feel like that's why I never made them, because I could never decide if I wanted to do like hauls or collections. All right, you guys, 2 boxes left. And what is this? This is, oh, yay! Okay, we got another tape dispenser. See, that's what I'm saying. I think that there is a rare one. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, even though it's just the same. So same little paper insert. There we go. Blue tape dispenser. I just love how much motion these have. So cute. So here's the blue one. Here's the gray one. Just so y'all can see the 2 different colorways side by side. And I guess I should have done that for our little paper boards. Clipboard. Why can't I think of the name of this? I've already said clipboard 20 times in a video. I almost called it paperboard again. Last box, you guys, and we are missing black scissors, and then this one looks so fun. I think it's origami paper set, but I think it has like a little crane. So let's see. Who did we get? Ah, we got another repeat. I was really hoping for the origami. It's that one again, the thing I keep wanting to call an oil pastel. That is it, you guys. I would love to know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions about these down below. Would y'all like for me to get more of these Kenelephant sets? I did find some of them on eBay, but all the ones I've seen so far act like you get a complete set, which just makes me a little bit nervous that obviously you probably wouldn't be getting them in the little boxes. So I don't know, that just seems maybe like a little bit less fun for a video for me personally, just because like we wouldn't get to necessarily unbox them together. However, I have seen some really cute ones. Like I saw a bathroom set with like a liftable toilet lid, like a toilet seat. Let me know, do you guys really like these? Are you kind of on the fence about them? I thought that they were perfect for us because they're stationary, they're super realistic miniatures, they're a little bit like mini brands because, you know, they're like real brands. So yeah, let me know. I would love to know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions, as always, in the comments down below. Also, if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!